Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Suhail Khan and I'm a Cisco certified trainer. And today in this video, I'm going to show you, we are in the lecture number 27, and here I'm going to show you how to block whole network to access an FTP service using extended access list. Okay, so before that, so without wasting time, let's start the video. So before that, I will remove the previous access list, which is no access list 110. So it is removed. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to block the whole network. Okay, now I want to block the whole 10 network for to access my FTP service. Okay, so currently all the computers are accessing it. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, if you are watching it for the first time, go and please watch the lecture number 26, because this is lecture number 27. Okay, now I want to block the whole 10 network. Okay, so let's check whether they are pinging or not. They are ping 3004. All right, they are pinging, and plus they are FTP also. FTP 3004. Yes, they are connected also. Okay, so means all the computer from 10 networks are now connected with FTP. So I want to block the whole 10 network. So what I will do, I will go to R3 global config mode, and I will create access list 120, deny TCP protocol, which is coming from the whole 10 network. So here this time you have to write down the 10 network address. So 10,000, because if you want to delete the whole network, and you have to write down the subnet mask 0.255.255.255, and where they want to go, they want to go to host 30.0.0.4 equivalent to port number 21. So this command means I want to create an extended access list which is ID number is 120, in which I am denying a whole 10 network, okay, to access FTP services from 30.0.0.4. Remaining everyone I have to allow to accept 10 network. Okay, permit IP any permit IP any, and similarly I am going to apply in serial 0/3/0 and IP access group 120 for all incoming packets. So let's check show access list. Yeah, so I'm blocking the whole 10 network this time. Okay, now let's check. First I'll go to here and I will type FTP. See, they are trying to connect, but they are not able to connect to FTP server. But this PC can ping FTP service, ping 30.0.0.4. Yes, they are able to ping. Similarly, I will go to this computer also and I will check whether it is connected or not. So FTP 30.0.0.4. Yeah, it is also trying to connect but not able to connect. But if this computer try to ping, then they are able to ping. So only I am blocking the FTP service. So this is how, with the help of extended access list, with the help of this command, you can block the whole network to access the FTP services. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. I teach online worldwide, free demo lectures. I give 100% expertization guaranteed. Okay, thanks for watching my channel and thanks for your love and support.